section, a story about Canada's possible role in creating COVID-19 is flying under the radar. This should be sending shockwaves around the world. The Trudeau government was complicit in shipping deadly viruses to China's bioweapons labs, which may have cost millions of lives. That is worth repeating. Our government discovered that its top security laboratory was leaking lethal pathogens to a hostile foreign power, then made a deliberate decision to allow it to continue happening. A recent parliamentary report reveals that the National Microbiology Laboratory, or NML, in Winnipeg and China's Wuhan Institute of Virology were working hand in hand. Under the Trudeau government's watch, deadly viruses were reportedly transferred from the Wuhan lab even after CSIS raised alarms about ties to the Chinese military. Instead of shutting down the lab, suspending personnel, or alerting the RCMP, the Trudeau administration stayed passive, effectively greenlighting further collaboration with agents of a state known for bioweapons research. SARS-CoV-2 samples found in Wuhan bear genetic markers of viruses sent from Winnipeg, implicating Canada in China's gain-of-function research. For 3 years, the Trudeau government stonewalled Parliament and the RCMP, refusing to release crucial evidence about the events in Winnipeg. They even went so far as to sue Parliament to block an investigation, giving scientists involved ample time to return to China without facing questioning. These same scientists, now operating under new titles, continue their work in China, potentially advancing research that may have already led to a global catastrophe. To compound this, during the pandemic, the Trudeau government called a snap election, delaying the investigation further and allegedly providing political cover for Chinese interference in Canadian elections. If these allegations hold weight, Canada's reckless complacency may have contributed to a pandemic that claimed over 7 million lives, eroded civil liberties worldwide, and shattered the global economy. This isn't a conspiracy theory. It's documented evidence of a government willing to risk global pandemics for political optics. Refusing to confront these facts only fuels further contempt for Canadian democracy, a betrayal that goes beyond mere incompetence and borders on treason.
Well, I'm glad we aren't the only ones.